What's going on, nation? ukvapeuk here, and welcome today. Very excited to bring you the new Q 2.0. It's been almost 2 years since we reviewed the first one, and it's still working till this day because my wife is still using it. We're gonna have a look at it. So yeah, they released the 2.0, but the most important is not really the device, because the device is pretty much the same, improved battery, all that good stuff, back compatible, but they also released a refilling pod, and I think that should have been on the first one because we'll give more options to more people. But obviously we got to all of that on the up and close. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna dive down. Okay, and here is the box where your new Cube 2.0 comes in. Inside that box you're gonna get your user manual and your USB-C charging cable. And obviously when you buy the kit, and I think, you know, when you start you will buy the kit, you're also gonna get a pod depending on the pod that you want and you choose. When you open this up, you're gonna have your pod right here. It is a 0.8, this one right here. And I do believe at this point they only offer 0.8. This one, it will be back compatible with the previous version. And talking about the previous version, I still own mine. Well, my wife, because she does love it and it's still working as the first day. Here is the pre-fill pods. So they will be compatible with the new one. This is the new one right here. As you can see, you can vape them already with pre-juice if you want to. I mean, you can choose whatever you want. When it comes to the device, it's pretty much the same, as you can see. This one now, the new one, is going to have a new and improved 850 milliamp hour battery. It's going to take about 45 minutes to fully charge, and it's going to last you all day. USB-C charging on the bottom. Here is your light indicator to tell you the battery that you have, and it's gonna be only auto draw activated. It's gonna have any button or anything like that, and this thing is built to last, believe me or not. Now when it comes to the pod, you open the top like that, you're gonna be presented with your filling port. It does have a gasket and an escape hole, and it's gonna have a nice mesh coil in there. Let's fill it up. Gonna use some Nick salts here, but you can use any juice that you want or you prefer. The reason I'm using this Nick salts is because after the review, I'm pretty sure my wife is gonna steal it. So at least she's gonna have a favorite e-liquid there. And every time you fill up for the first time, always wait like 5 minutes to get that cotton nice and saturate. And obviously put it back on. You're ready to put on your device right here. Here we go, and as you can see, the lights light up telling you, yeah, everything is working. And like I say, you can be using the ones that pre-filled. I used to love the bold tobacco, but you know, my wife took it away, and I was not able to vape it anymore. But with now having a second one, I might be able to keep one of them, at least the old one. But it's been, I don't know, maybe 2 years now that they released the first one, and it's still working like the first day, to be honest. So yeah, I do think we did cover up everything. We're gonna come back on top and we're gonna run to pros and cons. All right, then we're back, and that was the up and close for the Q 2.0. Now I have the other one charging because my wife left me without any battery on it, but we're gonna see if in a few minutes we have battery, so I can show you you know, how he still vapes. This one, I already have the pod here, the 0.8, and what I notice is it is a little bit more open, but let's go to pros and cons first. Now, in terms of cons, I don't have anything. It's just they should have released this refilling pod longer time ago. It's been almost 2 years now. I think it was in June 2023 that I did review the other one. So it's been almost 2 years till they released the refillable pod. And this refillable pod is more, I think, open when you vape it. And the flavor on it with this Nick sauce, Jesus. Now, I do love the pre-filled ones that they have, especially the tobacco ones. Do love them. I think they're 18 milligram. But damn, this one hits really, really hard. So yeah, you're gonna have pretty much the same device with the upgraded battery, back compatible, so you don't have to worry with anything. If you just want to buy the pod, you can. They're also gonna have a very nice thing that is, every time you finish a pod, if you send it back, for every 3 of them or 4 of them, I can't really remember. They give you a free one or a free already refilled one, so that's very, very nice. It's their recycling scheme that they do. So yeah, same device. So for people who already love it, like my wife, they're gonna have the same device with a bigger battery, but now they can put their favorite juice in it. So very, very nice. And he vapes like a champ. Look at this. It's more open, loads of flavors, hits pretty damn hard. Oh yeah, this thing is very, very nice. Let's see if we have battery on the other one. Okay, so here is the 2.0. As you can see, this is the first one. I have 1 bar. Let's see if it works. No, it doesn't. Yeah, it's telling me, look, please charge me. But it does work. I can promise you that because my wife is still using it. She's just drained all the battery on it. So yeah, very, very nice for people out there. They also have a very nice recycling scheme. They're all British, all made it here in the UK. So you know, all the team is from here in the UK. So if you have any issues, you can definitely reach them, and they're gonna help you out. They have a very good team, to be honest. I've been in contact with them several times, and they're very, very good. So yeah, we're gonna wrap it up. Thanks for everything. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I wish you all the best, and I hope to see you next time. Till there, keep vaping.